Hey, how many meter? 5. Kana ka badan kan. Innocent paper. You already know what time it is, guys. So we're gonna start our chair DIY. We're gonna make, I don't know, do we have a plan for it so far?
Horta sand it and color it. Marka kadib baan eegaynaa wixii aan ku fadhiisinta ku fadhiisinay.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. We'll give you a little hint. Think gym bar. So if you remember from one of my daily life vlogs a couple weeks ago, I had picked up this furniture on the side of the road. You know what they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure, and boy did I luck out on this. So I just did a quick bit of sanding. I had some leftover wood stain paint in my house, so then I applied that. I probably picked the shortest time frame of the day between Asr and Maghrib to finish this job, but nonetheless, the job did get done. And here we are the next day starting part 2 of the DIY, which is creating the seating, which I chose to use car harness. So we are literally using a car harness. And yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go, but watch. Don't ask how. Here's a time lapse of a very confusing weaving session with a 30-meter long car harness. Wow, what a nice knot. I'm so bad at the knots. When did you learn knots, so? My Girl Scout, but good. And then just, I'm gonna just make it cute. Okay, we're back on schedule. Just
mid
enough.
bad ka boodi
Kan.
mid
Kan.
go back
Me.
one ha halkaas ka boodi
Come on, budin. Ah, good budin. I saw the finish line, you know.
ka boodi
Ah. Kan geli.
okay
Kan we geli.
Ah.
Kan ka soo saar. Yes, it's even. One uba ku hadhay meeshii marka.
naftiga na suurtooyin wala
Ma kana hog sameynay.
soo jiida tala oy
Ka uma eh. Xillis ina hira.
Kana kala lus.
Kana kale. Hay.
Kan wad raaci kartaa.
Tejnacaan raacno.
Hooji.
Halkan aan ka wado. Ka wadi. Ka waday. Kan. Hakala durkiyo. This is a big hole over here. Saas u yiraahdaa. Soo jiidaa.
Wad isoo wadaa marka.
We'll find out at the end.
Wad xir rabaa wad isoo dur.
Waxaan soo dejiyay.
Wax isoo socda ma ahan intaas.
Okay. Caadi karto waa lagu faraysan karaa.
Horta waa kaas aniga inta waxan. Is ugly this one.
No, it looks so nice. There it is. Oh, moment of truth. Look at that. Simbar, so come on, so sorry. It's so comfy. What hammock?
Hada waa hamaka.
So, wow.
You picture.
Yes. Imagine me sitting on the beach with this. Barkin on. Barkin ba hadday. Idin tuso barkin.
haybayd waxaad ku leedahay dhulkaaga hooyo haybad waxaad ku leedahay dhulkaaga hooyo wana lama huraane hagarle ii wax ugu qabo wana lama huraane hagarle ii wax ugu qabo hantiyay macaan waa midaan hooy laga oranay helayo hantiyay macaan waa midaan hooy laga oranay helayo hantiyay macaan waa midaan hooy laga oranay helayo hantiyay macaan waa midaan hooy laga oranay helayo